Welcome to segment 17, continuation of our highcharts.com studying of illustrations or charts. All rights reserved. High soft. Three maps with levels. Next ng three map with levels, large tree map. Under ng heat and tree maps. Large tree map, title ng illustration, Global Mortality Rate 2012 per 100,000 population. Click points to drill down source, World Health Organization. Yan. Sa India, makikita natin yung mga parts ng, pag pinindot natin yung isang part ng portion dito sa illustration, ito yung number ng non-communicable diseases, 580. Let's see, pag clinic natin, mas specify pa ba siya? Ito na yung pinaka-hierarchical na pinaka-specific na illustration. Communicable disease, 219. Tapos, yung injuries. Ngayon, pagbabalik tayo sa regions, yan, nakita na natin yung yung mga kumakatawan doon sa 1,258 na iyon. Sa Western Pacific, kapag clinic natin, yung China, kasama, Japan, Philippines, Vietnam, among others. Bumalik tayo dito, regions, Africa, okay. Eastern Mediterranean, mga regions, Americas, and Europe regions. Tile map, honeycomb. US states by population in 2016, source Wikipedia. Ayun, less than 1 million, 1 million to 5 million, 5 million to 20 million, greater than 20 million. If maklik natin siya, ma-cross out yung nandun sa illustration. Hexagonal tile map, sometimes referred to as a honeycomb or hex bin chart, showing population data in the US. In this case, the map is used to show each US state with the same size, which removes some of the bias associated with traditional maps. Large heat map. Large heat map sa ating core library, heat map with over ilang points, 8,500 noong 2017. Yung temperature variation by day and hour through 2017, January to December. Trees and networks. Network graph, force-directed graph. Ang tawag dito sa core library, the Indo-European language tree, a force-directed network graph in highcharts. This force-directed graph shows an example of a network graph. From kusa siyang nag-zoom in, kung makita natin yung pinaka-information ng bawat points. Sizes are different din. Depende sa content. Yun, more chart types. Lollipop series. Horizontal organism. Ito yung, let's click. Lollipop series. Mayroong arc diagram. Polar radar chart. Venn diagram. General drawing. Column pyramid chart. Pictorial chart. Waterfall. Pyramid chart. X-range. Ang dami hanggang sa dumbbell series. Meron pa ring general. Under ng general, madami pang iba't ibang klase ng charts. Lollipop, mga sangay-sangay, mga branches. Yung waterfall, high charts waterfall. Naka-highlight rin under general types. Under general types. So we have general types, chart types, various features, flags, and technical indicators. Pinakaibaba, sa pinakaibaba yung sa general, basic roadmap, dynamic, input formats, series types, high chart dashboards, general, and all under dito sa demos, high charts demos. Resources, documentation, API reference, high charts GPT, accessibility, chart chooser, case studies, changelog, roadmap, high soft lab. Let's check sa high charts GPT. We can create ng donut chart, create a chart with this data from Excel, show me how to load data dynamically, high charts GPT. Sa other resources, aside sa documentation, tayong accessibility. Meron silang accessibility portal. Jump to accessibility features. Keyboard navigation, screen readers, ayan, interactive graph. Bukod sa interactive graph, merong video demo, screen readers, low vision features, pattern fills, high contrast themes. Merong 4 charts demonstrate examples of setting different pattern fills. Voice input. Voice input most common, desktop screen readers. Accessible interactive chart. And we can watch later. Magre-route na siya sa YouTube kung paano gawin ang chart na ito. Yung mga features. Bukod sa
This video demonstrates using Dragon version 15 to navigate
demonstrate,
interactive
bukod
features
sa
of high
voice
charts
input, meron ding
by
tactile
announcing the accessible
export.
name of buttons and controls. Click JAWS. Click JAWS.
Meron din try then diagram.